Welcome to the CDL Air Brakes Practice Test Quiz. This part will include first 25 questions. Let's get started. Question 1. Why must air tanks be drained? A. For pre-trip inspection purposes. B. To check for leaks. C. To release oil and water buildup. D. To activate the low air pressure alarm. The correct answer is C. To release oil and water buildup. Question 2. What is a supply pressure gauge used for? A. To check tire pressure. B. To check tank pressure. C. To activate the low pressure alarm. D. To check for leaks. The correct answer is B. To check tank pressure. Question 3. All vehicles with air brakes must have a low pressure warning signal. True or false? The correct answer is A. True. Question 4. What are spring brakes? A. Hydraulic brakes. B. Air brakes. C. Emergency/parking brake. D. Trailer brakes. The correct answer is C. Emergency/parking brake. Question 5. Front wheel brakes are good under all conditions. True or false? The correct answer is A. True. Question 6. What is a dual air brake system? A. Two systems which use a single set of brake controls. B. Two brake controls that operate from a single system. C. A system that uses two brake controls. D. A single brake that operates two systems. The correct answer is A. Two systems which use a single set of brake controls. Question 7. What are the slack adjusters? A. Adjusts the pressure in the tank. B. Adjusts the spring brakes. C. Adjusts the slack in the brake pedal. D. Adjusts the slack in the brakes. The correct answer is D. Adjusts the slack in the brakes. Question 8. How can you test the low pressure warning signal? A. Apply parking brake and pump the brake pedal again and again. B. Push in on the adjuster. C. Release the parking brake, pull hard on the adjuster. D. Slam on the brakes traveling 20 miles per hour or over. The correct answer is A. Apply parking brake and pump the brake pedal again and again. Question 9. How can you check that the spring brakes come on automatically? A. Release parking brake and press the brake pedal again and again. B. Apply parking brake and press brake pedal again and again. C. Slam on the brakes while traveling 20 miles per hour or more. D. Apply and release parking brake again and again. The correct answer is A. Release parking brake and press the brake pedal again and again. Question 10. What are the maximum leakage rates? A. More than 2 psi in 1 minute. B. More than 2 psi in 2 minutes. C. More than 3 psi in 1 minute. D. More than 3 psi in 2 minutes. The correct answer is C. More than 3 psi in 1 minute. Question 11. Why should you be in the proper gear before starting down a hill? A. The use of brakes is only a supplement to the braking effect of the engine. B. So the brakes will not get too hot and start to catch fire. C. To save wear and tear on the transmission. D. So you will not pick up too much speed. The correct answer is A. The use of brakes is only a supplement to the braking effect of the engine. Question 12. What factor can cause brakes to fade or fail? A. Driving in a heavy rain. B. Excessive use of service brakes. C. Driving in heavy traffic. D. Excessive use of emergency brake. The correct answer is B. Excessive use of service brakes. Question 13. The use of brakes on a long steep downgrade is only a supplement to the braking effect of the engine. True or false? The correct answer is A. True. Question 14. If you are away from your vehicle for only a short time, you don't need to use the parking brake. True or false? The correct answer is B. False. Question 15. How often should you drain air tanks? A. At the end of each week. B. Beginning of each week. C. At the beginning of each working day. D. At the end of each working day. The correct answer is D. At the end of each working day. Question 16. How do you use the stab braking technique during emergency braking? A. Brake hard with the brake pedal and hand valve until stopped. B. Brake hard with the pedal until the wheels lock, then let off the brakes for as long as the wheels were locked. C. Brake hard with the pedal until the wheels lock, then let off until the wheels start rolling again. D. Pump the brake pedal rapidly and lightly. The correct answer is C. Brake hard with the pedal until the wheels lock, then let off until the wheels start rolling again. Question 17. When using brakes on a long steep downgrade, which of these is true? A. Apply brakes when the vehicle reaches 5 miles per hour over the safe speed, then release when the vehicle slows to safe speed again. B. Only use the trailer brakes to maintain safe speed. C. Use stab braking. D. Use the engine braking effect, then when the vehicle reaches the safe speed, apply brakes until speed is reduced to about 5 miles per hour below safe speed. The correct answer is D. Use the engine braking effect, then when the vehicle reaches the safe speed, apply brakes until speed is reduced to about 5 miles per hour below safe speed. Question 18. Why should you not fan the brakes on and off during long downgrades? A. Does not allow brakes to cool. B. The brake linings do not get hot when fanning. C. There is less air usage when fanning. D. None of these. The correct answer is A. Does not allow brakes to cool. Question 19. If you must make a quick emergency stop, you should A. Pump the hand brake first. B. Stay in a straight line and maintain control. C. Use the full power of the brakes by locking them. D. Steer hard while braking hard. The correct answer is B. Stay in a straight line and maintain control. Question 20. A straight truck or bus air brake system cannot leak more than _psi per minute with engine off and brakes released. A. 1. B. 2. C. 3. D. 4. The correct answer is B. 2. Question 21. A combination vehicle air brake system cannot leak more than _psi per minute with engine off and brakes released. A. 4. B. 3. C. 2. D. 1. The correct answer is B. 3. Question 22. During normal operations, what are the parking and emergency brakes usually held back by? A. Bolts/clamps. B. Centrifugal force. C. Spring pressure. D. Air pressure. The correct answer is D. Air pressure. Question 23. When do you use the parking brake in air brake equipped vehicles? A. Only during pre-trip and post-trip inspections. B. Every time you park the vehicle. C. As little as possible. D. When slowing down. The correct answer is B. Every time you park the vehicle. Question 24. If your truck has dual control valves, you can use pressure from a separate tank to A. Balance the service brake system while driving. B. Stay parked without using up service air pressure. C. Apply more pressure for stopping if the main tank is getting low. D. Release emergency brakes to move short distances. The correct answer is D. Release emergency brakes to move short distances. Question 25. If the air system develops a leak, what will keep the air in the tanks? A. The one-way check valve. B. The emergency relay valve. C. The tractor protection valve. D. The governor. The correct answer is A. The one-way check valve.